Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Mac, whether from the Mac App Store or directly from Safari. Let's jump right into it. Method 1. Download apps from the Mac App Store the recommended way. Step 1. Click the App Store icon in your dock, or go to Apple menu greater than App Store. Step 2. Use the search bar in the top left corner to find the app you want. Step 3. If the app is free, click Get, then Install. If it's a paid app, click the price, then follow the prompts to install. Step 4. Once installed, the app will appear in your Applications folder or Launchpad, ready to use. Method 2. Download apps using Safari from a trusted website. This method is great for apps like Google Chrome or Zoom that aren't in the App Store. Step 1. Open Safari. Step 2. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to download. For example, download Google Chrome for Mac. Step 3. Visit the official website and click the download button. Step 4. Once the download begins, you may see a pop-up. Click Download again if prompted. Wait a few moments for the file to download completely. Step 5. When the download finishes, double-click the downloaded file, usually a .dmg file. Step 6. A window will open. Simply drag the app icon like Chrome into the Applications folder. Step 7. Now open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and launch the app from there. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy ways to download and install apps on your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy iPhone and Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.